Sam needs a total of 50 complete pieces of cloth, each of length 0.3 meters, to make dresses. For dolls, the cloth is sold in rolls of length 200 meters each. What is the least number of rolls that Sam needs to buy? Now, first step, let's say, for example, this is a roll of cloth. Okay, it's a cloth. This is one roll, okay? So you need to ask yourself, in this one roll of cloth, right, how many of these pieces can I get? Right, again, each piece is 0.3 meters. So the first step is to change the 200 cm into meters. So this is 2 meters. Okay, so we do 2 meters divided by 0.3 meters. Alright, so 2 divided by 0.3. Let's see how many pieces can I get per roll. Okay, maximum we can get 6 2/3. So the max you can get, not enough for 7, you can only get 6 pieces. Okay, per roll. Alright, and bear in mind we need 50 pieces. So how many rolls do I need? 50 divided by 6. 50 divided by 6, that would be 8 1/3. Which is actually 8 1/3 may not be enough, right? Because you cannot buy 1/3 of a roll. You need to round this up to 9 rolls. This is the minimum that is needed for this particular question.